Kung Mikey, I just wanted to ask, no, can you share any insights doon sa collaboration or consultation process with the industry stakeholders, and what steps will be taken to educate them about this Eddie Garcia law, syempre the implementation? What can we do, or what can everyone do in order for everyone to be knowledgeable about this?
May magandang section dito, Section 23. There is now a creation of a movie and television industry tripartite council, which shall be comprised of representatives from the government, employees, and workers. No? So continuing to, it will be a continuing cycle wherein you change the policy or fix the policy or amend the policy. So tuloy-tuloy to, no? But this is a law, ha? This is a law. So the IRR provisions of this law or yung implementing rules and regulation would be implemented naman by the Department of Labor and Employment. So within the next 6 months, kailangan nilang makagawa naman ng IRR kung paano i-interpretin itong batas na to.
Okay, so kumbaga kung Mikey, kung may problema, sa DOLE pa rin ang bagsak. But yun nga yung itatanong ko sa iyo you know, we do have a lot of good legislation already. Hindi lamang no dito sa specific sector na ito, in general. Right? But there's always that gap between good legislation and actual enforcement on the ground. I know wala pang IRR na nadadraft, but are you also part of the process, and how do we ensure na magkakaroon ng accountability and proper channels para kung may hindi nagko-comply, makakapagsumbong yung mga affected?
Mabigat na yung penalties dito ngayon. Unlike before, there was zero penalty. Now, the first offense, according to Section 24, is 100,000, 100,000. The second offense is 200,000, and the third offense is already 500,000. So, mabigat na for the producers or for whoever hired you na mapatawan ng mga penalties na ganito. So, these are to aid the implementation of this law.
Okay, Kong, just to clear it out, is this retroactive, meaning do existing contracts have to be amended to comply with this law? And what are we entitled to? For example, nakita ko po dito insurance, pero hindi po lahat ng employed in media companies get insurance. Do their contracts need to be amended to comply with the law? How would this apply?
Yes, the law is always, hindi siya pwede maging retroact, no? It should be from the day onward, no? So in Section 12, it says that it should be a mandatory already that the employee would get SSS Pag-ibig and PhilHealth. So those are the benefits na itatapon na ilalagay natin dito sa mga employees or sa mga workers na ngayon.